seen that Krill told me to kill the what's that? Wait a second. The floor gang and the fire camping gang, and me and Richie killed both of them. But now let's talk to Krill and let's see what does Krill says. So guys, which vehicle should I go? And you guys know na that I'll go walking only. I'm just kidding. There we got a bike over here, so I'll take that any bike of here and go. Not this one. Krill's house is near only, so let's go to Krill's house. Okay guys, when I was coming here, there was a bodyguard of Krill. I don't know he was bodyguard, I was just kidding, it was not bodyguard of Krill. But then also, I'll kill him with my... where is my machine gun? You wait. Die! Not take... okay. So Krill, we have killed the floor gang and the fire camping gang. What's next? So guys, Krill have told me that that I didn't kill all of them, but there are only zombies left. So I'm going to kill the zombies. I'm very scared to kill them because zombies are powerful, but not powerful than me. Okay, I'm near of the zombies. Now zombies will die. I am saying that zombies will die. I just shoot the bullet and... come on zombies. You don't have enough energy. Come. Okay, I got some money. Headshot. Headshot number 2. Headshot number 3. Wait, you shoot grenade? I shoot rocket launcher. See now. This is my style. Let's remove out our machine gun. And now see ya guys. Please don't wake up. WWE style. Come on. Die! I have machine gun. Then grenade. Then this. Woohoo! Come. Wait, I haven't shoot RPG yet, but now I will shoot. Nobody is... Grenade one died by his own grenade only. It was not his own grenade, it was my grenade only. Come. Scared, no? Headshot. Only 2 zombies. Okay guys, I have successfully killed those zombies and I'm very happy after killing them. save my game. Now let's talk to Krill again. And I'm sorry guys, I didn't record to kill the while killing police, because I thought that while killing the police it will be long time, so I didn't record. Okay guys, I'm near of the Krill's house and I destroyed that UFO because I don't wanted that UFO. I've destroyed it. Let's see. Run. Hi, over both of the enemies are died. And see guys, if you thought I'm paying the hack version, you were wrong. See, my money is minus. See, means I don't because I don't play hack mode because I don't know how to download. I know to download, but it comes app not installed. I don't know what is that. Okay, so now let's talk to Krill one more time. Okay guys, Krill have said that you have successfully been the biggest gangster of the Dude Town, and you are the biggest gangster, so no more mafia will try to hurt you, or no more gangster will try to hurt you, because you are the biggest mafia in the city now. Let's do this. Because I don't like night. So guys, you know na that this trailer, I'll blast him. What? Police? Why did he come? I just blasted a trailer. Died. There are a lot of Richie. Oh no. How will I escape? Oh no, you would have lost. Run. Oh no, my Lamborghini. Bye. I need to lose the cops. Lose the cops. I'm expert of losing cops. Wait a second. Why I forgot that I'm the biggest gangster. So now let's kill the cops. Cops, where are you? I think cops are scared of me. Because because everyone takes everyone's scared of the biggest mafia, and see guys, I have all of the weapons in this game, so I don't need to worry of the gangsters. Now let's switch to Richie, but no, I'm thinking that where this third character to unlock. So guys, now see, I have monster truck over here. This monster truck has 3 boosts. I'll see after switching to Richie. Okay guys, I am switched to Richie, and as you can know, I've defeated zombies and also defeated him. And see, I have deal with Jack that if he will give me his Lamborghini, I will unlock his both of the garages and give him some new vehicles. And he has sold his KTM, but then also let's ride on his Lamborghini. So guys, I was just riding on my Lamborghini, but Krill's phone come, and Krill was give me a good news that that zombies and the police, Jack have killed both of them. So I don't need to do anything now. So now let's go to meet Krill, but I will not take my Lamborghini because when my Lamborghini will lost, I will not. This is 5,000 this is a 10,000 Lamborghini. I don't want to waste it. $10,000 Lamborghini. Let me park it successfully over here. So now let's talk to Krill. So guys, let's take this. I don't like this car, but then also, I'll touch that ball. Ball strike. Oh no. Reverse gear. Stunt mode. Let's talk to Krill now. I'm near of the Krill's house. Krill! Krill! I'm here. Okay, Krill, tell me. Okay, guys, Krill have told me that that police department, the SWAT police has called new military colonel that is very strict and he wants to solve all of the crimes. And his first target is that third character Kart. He is the biggest murderer. So his first target is the Kart. Hopefully we are not Kart. And second target is Richie means V. And last target is Jack. And if he will kill these three gangsters, then no crime will go in this U-turn, and I don't want that crime will be unlimited. That's oh wait, why Commander Jack's house? Let's go to my home. Guys, comment down what should I do. What should I do to how to beat this new military colonel? He is very strict and he is making a plan to kidnap the card and if we will save card we will get a new gangster friend and we should also be careful because card has a axe his personal weapon his axe and he has a pistol only but pistol I have all of the weapons so I don't need to worry. First let's go. This is how a real gangster does. Where is the money which he dropped? Hello, money? He not dropped the money. Wait. Headshot. Why are you running? Okay guys, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, good.